so I can do today. Like, just getting my prescription. And I'm gonna have music over it, so they won't hear us having our like.
That's fine. I'll be on your YouTube channel.
Yeah. Alright, and it's okay to use the card on file? Yep. Yeah, that's fine. That's for you. And I'll get a picture of it. I mean, a clip of you handing it to me.
Yeah.
Look at me. Girl, this is a lot.
Look, I told myself I was going to be a YouTuber one day until I figured out what it entails. And I was like, oh.
Write me on my channel, girl.
I told you will. You want to put it in the bag?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is my new friend, y'all. She's getting me together. She's gonna get me straight, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Like, subscribe.
Make sure, and when she starts her channel, make sure y'all go subscribe. Okay?
Style Grace.
There
you go.
Thank you,
thank you.
All right, I'll see you soon. She's gonna need me to make a prescription appointment for 6 to 8 weeks.
You want me to schedule that now?
Yep.
Or are you gonna call?
I can call. Because I'm getting hungry.
All right. So then you're all set then.
Thank you.
You're
Bye.
welcome.
It's so cute in here, y'all. All right, let's go, baby. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I just had my appointment at Skin DC, and they are getting me together. Like, y'all be seeing my hair. Y'all have seen my hair journey. My hair, so she basically confirmed that I have seborrheic dermatitis. And so, yeah, she gave me some prescriptions. I'll tell y'all everything I got in the bag when I get home. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'm about to go get me some Starbucks. I got my hitter with me as always, and yeah, this is in it's Skin DC, but it's in Arlington. So this is the area. So it's cute out here, Matt. I think we gotta go. I think we need to go down. I'm trying to it's a Starbucks downstairs. So that's just what we're trying to get to. But yeah, they got me the door. Look, I don't know where we're going. Man, where we going, baby? Nowhere. Nowhere. We went the wrong way. We go the wrong way? Matt, look at the camera. Did we go the wrong way?
Wrong way?
Yeah, we went the wrong way. All right. All right, so let me go get my coffee. See y'all in a bit. Say hi.
This is Mom.
I see. That's the mommy bird and the baby bird. Hey guys, so we're back again today. I'm headed to I have an appointment, spa appointment downtown. So we're headed down. We're gonna do some shopping as well. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. Of course, I have my son. Man, he's really intrigued by these little birds that he is seeing. So this is just us for today. Matt, say hi.
Say hi, guys.
What do you say? Welcome.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, welcome back. Okay. Alright, so we'll just show you. We're heading in there now. Yeah. So we'll see y'all on the other side.
Go downstairs.
inside of the spa area. Isn't it so pretty? This is just really like if you have to go to the bathroom or anything like that. So nice little lockers. And then this is the inside of the waiting area. So I am just going to grab a magazine and relax. I'm gonna have me some tea. And yeah. Look who I ran into. Hey girl, hey. So we just went shopping. She bought pretty much the entire store for her son.
I did not.
Pretty much the entire store. Oh, we could have parked right here though. Oh no, you can't. Cause see, it say no parking. Cause it's the entrance. But whatever.
So mine said 2 hour parking.
Yours did too, but it's not 8:30 yet. We really were in there. It seemed like we was in there for a long time because of that line.
No, clearly. No.
So we just, yes, Natalia. Y'all, I feel like no matter what, this one right here is always with us. We could be going anywhere. This little lockhead is always with us. So we just left ZARA. We ain't really go in H&M because I peeked my head in and both of us was like, we ain't been feeling it. So now we're going to get food. So we'll let you know. Little Miss Mama's gotta eat. I ain't never seen that restaurant before, and that is so pretty, isn't it?
What?
This one right here?
Oh yeah.
It's called Succotash Prime.
I've been there before in Maryland.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What they got?
They got a variety on their menu.
Like what though? Like chicken tenders?
I want a chicken tender.
Did we do?
Oh, yeah. The menu outside.
Yo, let me tell you what her diet consists of, y'all. Steak. and potatoes. That's what she's gonna eat. And if you're not providing that for her, she has no use for you.
I do not want chicken.
You wanna go to this restaurant or you wanna keep walking?
Let me see what the menu says.
At this one, I think it's a menu posted up outside. Alright, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat and we'll come back when we get to the table.